This video is about some marketing tips for the restaurant. Gary Vaynerchuk's strategies for social media marketing can be applied to the restaurant industry. Here's a detailed approach based on his principles. 1. Content creation and storytelling. Document the journey. Share behind-the-scenes content, such as kitchen preparations, staff interactions, and the sourcing of ingredients. Authentic, real-time documentation can engage your audience. Showcase dishes. High-quality photos and videos of your dishes can be very appealing. Use Instagram and Facebook to post daily specials, new menu items, and seasonal dishes. User-generated content. Encourage customers to share their dining experiences and use a specific hashtag. Repost their content to your page to build community and trust. 2. Platform-specific strategies. Instagram. Focus on visually appealing content. Utilize stories and reels to show short, engaging videos. Collaborate with local influencers to expand your reach. Facebook. Create events for special promotions, live music nights, or holiday menus. Use Facebook Live to broadcast events or behind-the-scenes content. TikTok. Create fun, engaging, and trendy videos that showcase your restaurant's personality. This could include recipe videos, staff introductions, or customer reactions. 3. Engagement and community building. Respond to comments. Actively respond to comments and messages. Engage with customers by asking questions and creating polls. Reviews and feedback. Monitor and respond to reviews on social media. Thank positive reviewers and address any concerns raised by negative reviews. Local partnerships. Collaborate with local businesses and influencers. Host joint events or promotions to tap into each other's audiences. 4. Promotions and contests. Special offers. Use social media to announce special offers, discounts, and promotions. Flash sales or limited time offers can create a sense of urgency. Contests and giveaways. Run contests that encourage user participation. For example, ask followers to share their favorite dish for a chance to win a free meal. 5. Paid advertising. Targeted ads. Use Facebook and Instagram ads to target specific demographics, such as local food enthusiasts, families, or working professionals. Geotargeting. Implement geotargeted ads to reach potential customers in your area. Promote lunch specials to nearby offices or dinner specials to local residents. 6. Content variety. Behind the scenes. Show the daily operations of your restaurant. This could include food prep, staff interactions, and even how you source your ingredients. Customer stories. Share testimonials and stories from satisfied customers. Highlight special occasions celebrated at your restaurant. Seasonal and event content. Create content around holidays, local events, and seasons. Offer special menus and promotions related to these events. 7. Analytics and adjustments. Track performance. Use analytics tools on social media platforms to track engagement, reach, and conversion rates. Adjust strategies. Based on your analytics, tweak your content strategy. Experiment with different types of posts, posting times, and ad formats.